In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a chart of accounts in Xero. Whether you're setting up a new business or updating existing financial records, importing a chart of accounts can streamline the process and save you a lot of time. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Navigate to the Xero login page using your preferred web browser. You'll see the login option prominently displayed on the page. Click that to get started. For those of you new to Xero, you'll want to ensure your login credentials are handy. If you've forgotten your password, Xero offers several password recovery options to get you back on track swiftly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. This is your home base where you can navigate to various parts of the software. Next, head over to the Accounting tab at the top of the page. Clicking on this will provide a drop-down menu where you'll find the Chart of Accounts option. Go ahead and select that. The chart of accounts is essentially a list of every account in the general ledger. Each entry provides vital information about various financial transactions within your business. At this point, you may want to take the opportunity to review your existing accounts. Xero allows you to delete any unnecessary or outdated accounts before importing new ones, which is helpful in maintaining a clean record. If no deletions are needed, you can proceed directly to the import process. To start importing, click on the Import button. This will open up an interface where you can select the file containing your chart of accounts. You'll want to make sure that this file is in the appropriate format, typically a CSV, to align with Xero's data import standards. Now click on the Browse button to locate and select your file from your computer. Once your file is selected, Xero will display a preview of the data. Take a moment here to ensure everything looks correct. This is your chance to double check that the essential information is formatted properly and ready for import. When you're satisfied with the preview, simply click the Import button at the bottom of the page. Xero will then process your file and update your chart of accounts accordingly. You'll receive a confirmation message indicating that the import was successful or if there are any issues to address, and that's it. By following these steps, you now have your chart of accounts imported into Xero, ready for your business's needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more Xero tips and tutorials. Have a great day.